Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to look at patterns with decimals, and we're looking at patterns that are only formed by multiplication and division. We're going to outline the steps for identifying and completing the multiplication or division patterns, and then we'll use those steps to solve some examples together. How do we go about identifying and completing multiplication and division patterns? You first divide the second term by the first term in the pattern, and then you use that you multiply that value by the second term to get to the third term, and you do that continuously until you complete the pattern. Let's see how that works using some examples. So find the missing numbers in the pattern below. So you have 1.2, 3.6, 10.8, and 32.4. The first thing we'll do here is divide the second term by the first term. So that is 3.6 divided by 1.2. And then we have one decimal place, so I can easily say that is 36 over 12, which is equal to 3. So now we can multiply 3.6 by 3. So we have 8, so that's 10, one decimal place, 10.8. Multiplied by 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So you write 4. You bring 2 up here. 0 multiplied by 3 is 0 plus 2. That is 2. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. There's one decimal place. So we put a decimal right here. We multiply again by 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is 2. And we take 1 up here. So it's 12. We write 2. We bring 1 up here. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, plus 1, 7. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. One decimal place. Multiply again by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So we have 1 down here, and we carry 2 up here. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27, plus 2 is 29. One decimal place. And then we multiply by 3. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. We write 8 and we bring 1 up here. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, plus 1 we have 4. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. We have 7 here. We bring 2 up here. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, plus 2, 8. One decimal place. So our missing terms are 97.2. We have 291.6, and then we have 874.8. The next example, 129.3, 12.93, 1.293. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide 12.93 by 129.3. So what I can do here is we have 129.3 divided by 1293. This is going to give us 1 over 10, or we can say 0.1. So we have 12.93 multiplied by 0.1. That's going to give us 1.293. 1.293 multiplied by 0.1 is going to give us 0.1293. 0.1293 multiplied by 0.1 is going to be 0.01293. 0.01293 multiplied by 0.1 is going to be 0.00129. So let's see, we have 0.1293. Here we have 0.01293. And here we have 0.001293. And a final example, we have 0.8, 3.2, 12.8, 51.2. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide the second term by the first term. 3.2 divided by 0.8. They're both one decimal place. So I'm going to move the decimal over right here, move it over right here. So that is 32 divided by 8, which is equal to 4. Now we're going to multiply every term by 4 after the second, start from the second term. 3.2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4, we have 8. 3 multiplied by 4, we have 12. One decimal place, multiplied by 4. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. We write 2 here and we bring 3 up here. 2 multiplied by 4, 8 plus 3, 11. So we write 1 here, we bring 1 up here. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 plus 1, 5. One decimal place, multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4, we have 8. 1 multiplied by 4, we have 4. 5 multiplied by 4, we have 20. One decimal place, multiply by 4 again. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. We write 2 here, we bring 3 up here. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, plus 3, 19. We write 9, and then we bring 1 up here. 0 multiplied by 4, 0, plus 1 is 1. And then 2 multiplied by 4, we have 8. We now have one decimal place here. Then we multiply again by 4. 2 multiplied by 4, we have 8. 9 multiplied by 4, we have 36. We write 6 and we bring 2 up here. 1 multiplied by 4, we have 4 plus 3, 7. 8 multiplied by 4, we have 32. And you have one decimal place. So here we have 204.8. Here we have 819.2, and then our last term in the pattern, 3276.8.